This tutorial will show you how to make a new project and then share that project with a partner. Once you get logged in to NoodleTools using your auhsdschools.org account, click New Project. Give your project a title. Choose a citation style, citation level, and submit. At this point, you'll see your projects all listed there. The latest project is always at the top. Now I want to share this project with my partners in my group. I'll do this by clicking on the plus icon. Here I'm going to add my partner's email address, auhsdschools.org. Then click Done. My partner will then be able to open up her projects and see this project right here, and it will say SM shared it with her. Those are my address, those are my initials. From here, you can close this window, and both of you now can add new sources to this project. After clicking a new source, choose what type of source it is. Perhaps you used a website or a database or a book, or maybe you heard a lecture or interviewed someone. Whatever you choose, you fill in the bibliographic information here and then click Save. After saving your bibliographic information, you can then add sources to it one by one. If you have any questions, please let me know.